How to quit your job and make more money? If you're watching this video, chances are you ask yourself that questions more than once. Maybe your 9 to 5 is draining you. Maybe it barely pays the bills. Or maybe just know you're meant for more. So today I'm going to show you how people just like you are building online stores and making up to $400 a day consistently by doing one simple thing right. I'm here to walk you through how to quit your job, or at least how to give yourself the option. Let's get into it. Step 1. Start with a store that works for you. First things first. You don't have to quit your job right away. That's not what this is about. What I recommend is creating a side income that grows over time until it's making as much or more than your day job. That's the smart way to quit. So, how do you do that? You build a store that's set up for success from day one. With Sellvia, you already have that. You don't need to design a site, find suppliers, or figure out shipping. It's all ready. All you need to do is make it work harder for you. Step 2. Expand your product line. This is where the most beginners stop. They launch with 10 to 20 products and expect the money to roll in. But if you want to make a real income, let's say $400 a day, you need more products, more visibility, and better margins. So check your dashboard. You'll find a wide range of curated product pack including monthly bestsellers, evergreen niche collections, social media viral hits, seasonal demand packs, brand name product packs, and much more. These are updated, tested, and made to sell. The more products you add, the more chances you create to make a sale. More products equals more profits. Step 3. Add high ticket products. If you really want to make serious money, don't just focus on $20, $30 items. And high-ticket products, the kind that brings you 200, 500, or even 1,000 bucks in profit from a single order. You will find luxury furniture, premium electronics, high-end pet products, smart home gear, all with massive earning potential. Just a few high-ticket sales a week can easily hit your $400 a day target. Step 4. Boost it with tools that sell for you. Here's the truth. No matter how great your products are, they won't sell themselves. That's why smart dropshippers use tools that automate and scale their growth. Sellvia Ads tool runs your ads on Amazon, Google, Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. It's AI-powered and hands-free. Social media marketing tool gives you ready-to-post content for all major platforms. Just copy and go. Email marketing tool sends professional emails to welcome customers, promote offers, and brings people back. Backlink tool boosts your store, Google rankings, and drive free traffic. TikTok and Instagram tool puts your store right inside the bigger shopping apps. These tools works behind the scenes, bringing you traffic, conversions, and repeat buyers, all while you focus on growth. Let's be clear, dropshipping still works in 2025, and it's more profitable than ever if you do it right. That means a strong product catalog, high-ticket options, automation tool that do the hard work, and the drive to stay consistent. So if you've been wondering how to quit your job and make more money, this is your roadmap. Don't rush, smart small, grow smart. And before you know it, that side income, it could be your full-time income. I've added all the useful links in the description. Product pack, tools, success stories, everything you need to start making real money with your store. Like, comment. If you've got questions, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.